guys. And with that match complete, let's take a look at where the teams stand after 11 matches so far this week. Alliance is riding a 7-game winning streak and have the best start to a split for any team in the European LCS ever. They remain in first place now at 14-2.
SK Gaming's 2 losses today combined with Fnatic's win have the two teams now tied for second with 10 wins and 7 losses. And Millennium have moved into a tie for fourth with the Super Hawk crew where both teams are 9 and 8.
And of course the SuperWeek action continues tomorrow, starting with the Copenhagen Wolves facing Alliance.
And later in the day, Alliance's second game will find them taking on Fnatic in a battle at the top of the table. And those matches, they start on Thursday at 5 PM Central European Summer Time, which is 8 AM Pacific.
And until then, for myself, Deficio, QuickShot, Demon Shocks, and the entire LCS broadcast team, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Welcome to the European League of Legends Championship Series.
The teams will need to bring their A-game if they want to stay in the running for a possible spot at the 2014 World Championships.
We'll just farm on their tower until we hit a certain level. And then we start winning.
The Voidoo's on the wave, catches beautifully from Nifner, the bomber on towards Jesus gets him down, one more shot, Candy Panda goes down, and Rayton's gone out, he gets stunned out.
We can surrender if you want. You want to just FF this?
Wait, I'm coming. Yeah, we can.
And it's a 20-minute surrender, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's win game. Let's win this game.
Rockat's going to get focused on towards, but the damage is going down nicely from Overpower. He's still alive around the side there. Kill does manage to get himself 1 kill. Celebar replies. He goes back on towards Kevin. Gets himself a second.
Cannon? Says, I'm a ninja.
I can't hear it.
Smaller targets are easier to hit.
That doesn't make sense. Oh, come on, guys.
Freddy's taken very low as well. It's Candy Panda. They want to get on. Jess is in trouble. He has to use the Zhonya's Arrogance intervention on himself. He goes down. Selfie just motors on through the rest of the team. Candy Panda focused on. He gets dropped down.
Millennium versus Gambit.
Remember Leon and Corky OP lane?
I do, but
You just need to go in.
people play different right now. You can't all in level 2 and people die.
This could be real bad news for Millennium again. The solo playing in. Sound Connect is going to be coming around the side, but will it be too late? J-Ree going to go low. He's gone away. He's managed to get away. Connect is onto Diamond. Hasn't got the damage to finish him off. Creaton may just out. Ed is low, and Edward may fall as well.
I go in. I missed.
I stand for man!
Nice. Stunner.
Keep on.
Go. Never push.
Now we ban KO, first pick Yasuo.
What if they ban Yasuo?
Wait, then we have nothing left from it. Lulu?
There's the knockup. Has he got enough damage? He does, but he falls. There's the repel as well. Going for unlimited now. The damage surely there. Shield. Oh, Lulu. Don't stay around. There's a polymorph as well. And Walleye goes down. Fnatic versus Gambit, our final match of the day. Peke needs to get away from this one. Gold card will follow through, and Genja gets the kill on that one. Diamond in the middle of no man's land, but he's grabbed Yellow Star, and that's a double kill now for Genja.